In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on NinjaTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to NinjaTrader.com and then you want to open an account up top. So click on that. And then you can either sign up using email, Google, or Apple, or if you have an account already, you can just log in. This will only take you like a few minutes. It's actually very easy to achieve, so just go ahead and sign up or sign in. In here, you can then go ahead and click on download to download their desktop platform over here, and this will basically download it, and then you can just install it. And after you do that, you'll basically have access to the NinjaTrader trading platform on your computer. In here, the first time you open it up, it's going to pop up a bunch of windows, but this one is the control center. So this is kind of the main thing where everything happens. And to start paper trading, it's very simple. First, click on connections up top, and you want to click on simulated data feed, which will basically allow you to actually go ahead and start paper trading. And here you can create your own a paper trading account by clicking right click, add simulation account, and then you can just name it, basically set the currency, the initial cash, etc. And after you're happy, press OK. And after you do this, you can go ahead, click on new, open up the charts for any of the instruments you want, and then after you do that, just press OK. The charts are basically going to load in, and then you can go ahead and start trading over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.